awesome. It is time to fly.
Good evening, morning, or afternoon, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. I hope you're having a good day. I hope you're having a good time. I hope you're surviving this pandemic. I hope you got a lot of time off. Anyway, I'm flying my drone in this video, fixing my drone or fixing the arm on my drone. So I hope y'all can read lips. I'm not repeating what I said. I've done a video like this before, but I wanted to do another one and see how fast I could do it. I got it in under 5 minutes, which doesn't reflect on the video because I'm also teaching on the video or instructing on the video, but I got it down to 5 minutes. What I also found out looking at the arms and the propeller is Eachine, it's very important that you check the propeller. I'll explain it in the video, but it's something I didn't do before, and I just randomly found out how to do it. So there's that. I tried to make a metal detecting video yesterday. I didn't have enough video or footage, and I didn't really find anything cool. I did a lot of trash pickup though.
Well, this is what I found today. End of the day.
A lot of trash pickup though. It was more about, the video was about trying to get back into metal detecting and what I do, like pre-dig season metal detecting. So there's a video coming. There's a metal detecting video coming. I need more footage is what I need. But that's just because I'm dealing with permafrost and Maine. Maine weather's crazy. One day it'll be 70 degrees, and then the next day it'll, drop overnight, freeze in the ground. Especially, I mean, it's spring. Spring in Maine. Love it. Anyway, enjoy my video. I always have a fun time making videos. And if you're an Eachine expert, drone expert, let me, and I do something wrong, or you got a tip, let me know. Mainly dig out. So once again, I'm fixing my drone. This is the tools that I'm using. A little screwdriver set that my wife picked up somewhere, probably off of wish.com. I don't know. I'm trying to show. It has every screwdriver you could ever think of, or screwdriver head you could ever want, any size. Now here's the drone, my pocket Eachine drone, and the screws. Yep, I'm just going over it. I've already done. Yeah, there we go. That is the arm that I broke. I've already done one of these videos, but I'm trying to get, the little black rings are the first things you lose. So make sure you go for them first, or they'll get stuck under the circuit board and it's just a pain. So here I'm trying to pop off the arm. Fairly easy to do. I'm not really worried about breaking the arm. I was trying to be all fancy and stuff, but it wasn't helping at all. So I just ripped it off. Well, I was worried about the circuit board because boom, that happens. So if careful when that happens. I mean, it just pops off easy, but you gotta look out for the circuit board, and you can see it right there where it pops in. Once you pop that out, you can pop the other arm in. Just boom, pretty easy. It slides in there pretty quickly. Hopefully it works. I yanked on it pretty hard. And then that one slides in there too. Clip. Bam. All set.
So something I found out just recently as I was looking at these, because I don't pay attention to anything and I should, is that each arm has has a number and a letter. If you look, this one has an A on it. This is the first arm that I replaced, and I just randomly picked a propeller. Each propeller has a letter and a number on it. So this is A, this is the left side, and this is B. This is the arm that I just took off. And there's a B on it. You can see it once you take the propeller off and clean off the dirt, because it's kind of dirty. So Each propeller has a letter and a number. Make sure when you replace these that you put the letter and number together correctly. So once you've screwed it in there, you want to make sure that you don't want to ratchet it down too tight and you don't want it too loose. I just checked you just got to check for a little play, that's all. You want a little play. Each one of these has a little play in it. Except for mine, so I have to loosen it just a little bit more. Once you've correctly screwed it in or loosened it, this is the last final touch to this. Is a leg. You put it in there and it should hopefully just pop in there. Bam, there we go. Awesome, it is time to fly.
So it takes off fairly easily. I gotta remind everybody, it is cold. Oh, dumped it. I'm in an enclosed area where it doesn't, I thought it wouldn't be very windy, but it like the wind comes in and it comes like a wind trap. It's a technical term, wind trap. Anyway, so I'm flying, it's doing a great job. It's cold, like it looks sunny and warm, but Maine, that just means open skies, that it's cold, especially in spring. So I calibrated it and it's flying well. It's very hard for me. It's hard to fly straight and flat when I'm using the remote. I don't know why. So I adjusted the trim because it's getting kind of windy, and it's flying a little straighter. But it's going, and I didn't want to. I was getting into it, spinning it around, playing. Oh, crash, boom. I think at this point I stopped playing because I didn't want to break my drone again. I'm just happy that it works. Hopefully one of these days I'll get out with my kids and help them play or show them how to fly it. It's still really cold in Maine, so we'll see how that goes.